Is your agency prepared to handle digital evidence? The most important question arises while dealing with digital evidence is, are you or your agency prepared for digital evidence? We recommend that agencies likely to handle digital evidence identify appropriate external resources for the processing of digital evidence before they are needed. These resources should be readily available for situations that are beyond the technical expertise or resources of the department. It is also recommended that agencies develop policies and procedures to ensure compliance with federal, province, and local laws. The following 5 topics describe the necessary basic steps to conduct a computer forensic examination, and suggest the order in which they should be conducted. Although documentation is listed as the last step, a well-trained forensic expert understands that documentation is continuous throughout the entire examination process. 1. Policy and procedure development. 2. Evidence assessment. 3. Evidence acquisition. 4. Evidence examination. 5. Documenting and reporting. Each of the above point will be discussed in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for the new videos. Thanks for watching. www.ifex.org.pk Info@ifex.org.pk